As a business owner, wouldn't you like to use all the exceptional persuasion concepts that work for companies like Tupperware, Tupper Parties or Domino's Pizza for your own business? Well, with this solution you can. Not even 2 days ago, the very last, best and highest rated OpenAI models came out, and you can see they are already available in our AI business server. This one is rated as the very best model that is available at the time of this recording, and this one is the mini version of it. It's much more affordable, so we will use this one and test out if we can get some psychological concepts. Because I have used Everand today and listened to the Robert Cialdini book about 50 proven scientific concepts to persuade people. And one thing he's doing very well is he can explain the concept and then he answers the question why these concepts work. I find that very helpful, so let's create something that can do that. Let's use a simple conversation chain here. I connect the model and let's give it a little bit more memory so it can remember what we have been talking about before. And the third thing is the chat prompt template, which we can use to modify the behavior. So this will be our first prompt. Your task is to identify all psychological concepts behind a message and make a list about how it changes people's behavior. Now we have 3 examples here, so our AI server knows what kind of outcome we expect. Let's save that. We will have a certain topic and we will connect it here as a format prompt value. Now let's save the AI flow, and I would like to do a first test with, let's say, Tupper Parties. And here we have a problem because OpenAI only wants people to use the model who have spent at least $1,000 on their platform. This is what they say, and in most cases we would now have to do everything over and over again, but lucky us, we can just pick a different model like this one, save the AI flow and repeat the request, and here is the outcome. The first item is social proof. People are influenced by the actions and opinions of others, especially in social settings. We have commitment and consistency, we have scarcity and liking, authority and reciprocity. I think this is a very good list. And I would like to store this kind of data in my second brain database. So now that we know that the AI flow can do it, I can connect it to an instance of my Pinecone database solution. But this is a topic for a different video. By the way, when you watch this video in a few weeks, you will be able to use the new OpenAI models here. They said they are currently in the beta stage, so they have restricted the access to people who spend a lot of money with OpenAI. But you don't have to, because with your AI business server you will be able to use even all the free models that are available on Hugging Face or the lightning fast Grok chat if you want to. In this case, you just swap out this component, connect to Grok, pick one of the popular models like the Llama 3.1 model. Let's lower the temperature because we want facts and not fiction. I reconnect the model here, save it. Let's look for the Domino's Pizza slogan. This is the original one. I paste it in and let's see what kind of concepts are behind this offer. And you can see it still works with a different model and a different vendor. And you are able to use your AI flow with different solutions and components, even if OpenAI tells you that you are not allowed to use their latest and greatest model. Since 2014, I have taught thousands of people how to create automated trading systems, and now we do 20 business automation servers at a time. We will pay for the first month. We will do the setup and the programming, and if you want one, just click on the link below.